how to see who's logged into your Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can see who's logged into your Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see who's logged into your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you basically need to do is just make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap the three lines option from the top right, and then just navigate to settings. Once you navigate to settings, just go to the option called security. Once you go to security, here you'll find the option called login activity, and when you tap on login activity, you'll be able to see a list of devices where your Instagram account is logged in. So now if you'd like to remove either of these, you can just tap the three dots option and then just tap the logout option here in order to log out of these accounts. This way you'll be able to log out and see logged in devices on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.